All right, hi guys, it's your boy Goosey Visuals, and I'm just going to show us on how I made a YouTube video using an AI, the Chat GPT, for generating texts and all that. So I made a video of what the name of the video is what you need to know about ChatGPT, or what is ChatGPT. So I made a video recently about it. So I just want to show us how I made the video. I used a voiceover, which is not mine, which is an AI generated voiceover. And then I made use of the text that I generated. I used the Chat GPT to generate the text. So you have to go to OpenAI. Then from there, you see your Chat GPT, and you have to log in for you to have access to it. And then these are the texts. These are what I typed in. Like, this is where you make your text, write whatever you want to write, and then click OK, and then click here, and then it sends, and then it just starts generating stuffs for you. So this is what I typed. I typed like what you need to know about ChatGPT, and this was what it gave to me. Okay, let's have an example. Like, let's type, what is a fish? What is a fish? A fish. Okay, let's scroll down so that we'll see how it happened. So, and then you click enter, and it starts generating text for you. Let's say fish is a vertebrate animal, blah 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 blah. So it basically generates what you ask of it, AI. And so I had to copy from here. You can copy it, and make a copy of it. So I had to use my Word document to run the whole thing. So when you get to your Word, you paste what you want to paste. Let's say you go here, and then you click on this. These were the original ones I did earlier. So you click on paste, and there you have it. A fish is a vertebrate animal that lives blah blah blah. So when you've done that, you're using your Word, you're using the ChatGPT to generate the text for you. This is just how I made the video. That's what I'm trying to let us know about. You can actually Google this and still make use of it. So I'm just showing us the processes that I used in making that video. I didn't generate anything. Nothing was generic. Like, nothing was organic, sorry, from me. Everything I did there was AI. So you may now be asking, how did I generate the voice? So there's a website called Morph. This is morph.ai. This is where this is a platform where you generate audio from text. So you generate text, you write from your text, you copy from the Word. That is where you've posted the whole thing that you copied from the ChatGPT. You copy it, everything from here, and you move it to this place. When you move it to here, you paste it on this platform, morph.ai, and then it generates the whole thing for you. But you have to log in first. You have to sign up for it. So when you log in, and then it starts. Okay, let's play.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing all you need to know about ChatGPT. Let's dive right in.
All right, that's just what it does. It takes what you've written. These are like what I've written here from my Word. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we discussed blah blah blah, and that's okay. If we go back to Word, this is let's scroll up. This is what it is here. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing. So it takes it and it generates the audio of the text that you've written. And when you've generated that, you go to media. From at the media place, you can add the media, like what you want to, like, because it's a YouTube video that you're trying to produce. So you add the media that you're going to use. Either you use images or videos that you may download from stock images or stock videos that you can download from pixels.com and all that. When you download them, you create them together, link them, here. You can either do it here or you use your Adobe Premiere Pro for it. So that's just how I did the video without anything much coming from me. Is a lazy man's way of generating the whole thing. So these days AI is making it possible for you to be able to produce anything you want to produce at any time, at a very fast pace, and it's a very encouraging thing somehow. But although everything has its disadvantages and all that, but like it makes our works easy, you know what I'm saying? It makes it fast and easy. So that was just that about that, and that was how I made it. So I'm just making this video to just show us on how I made the video. So if you like the video, click the like and subscribe. Peace.